Hello everybody, I got my glasses on today because I'm not sticking anything in my eyes because I had a freaking injury on my eyelid yesterday. A wasp freaking stung me and I woke up with this puffy eye. So thank God it's gone down and I'm actually able to open my eyes more and so I can still record today. It's a little weird. So hopefully you don't look at my eyes or look at my face. But anyway, today is going to be a really special day. And I still wanted to record today because I made a lot of money the other day. I wanted to tell you about it and tell you how I did it. So first off, my name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,400 the other day. And so let's get started right now. So I'm here back at my slideshow. Today I'm going to go through my slideshow to show you some things that you need to know about how I made $1,400 in a day. I don't know if you guys actually know, but I started my own online business in 2016. And when I started my online business in 2016, I had to decide on a certain business model. So I had been doing other things before 2016, before checking out affiliate marketing. And although I was making money on the other methods I was using, but I was being still tied to my a location and still tied to certain things that I didn't want to deal with, like customers. I don't like to deal with customers. So I don't want to deal with that, and I don't want to do any manual labor like making things. So I was making products to sell. And so affiliate marketing is way better in the sense that I'm not making anything. I don't make a product. I don't make any products, and I'm just promoting other people's products. Okay, so building an online business is going to be one of the best ways to actually earn consistently, but also big money. Many people often ask me, how do you make a lot of money, or how do you make bigger money? This site doesn't work, that site doesn't work, this app doesn't work, that app doesn't work. You know what? It's because those things are not that great, okay? I show it to you because they are literally ways to make money, but are they the best ways to make money? No, okay? You do need to start an online business. Whether it's going to be this business model or a different business model, it just depends on what resonates with you, okay? So affiliate marketing resonates with me because I don't want to deal with products. I don't want to deal with customers. So affiliate marketing is awesome in that sense, okay? You just promote what's already promoting and working. So then I had to decide on a niche. Well, what is a niche? It's a topic. So do I like makeup and stuff like that? No, I mean, you guys have seen me. I'm not like a girly. I'm not like full of makeup, or this is all I wear, lipstick, okay? So makeup is not my niche. So you gotta decide on a niche that you love. I literally love making money online. So that's what I started with, and that's why I'm in this niche, and that's why I show people all these different ways to make money online. So you got to decide on the niche that you love, because affiliate marketing can be applied to many, like thousands of niches out there, because so many companies nowadays offer affiliate programs for anyone to join so they could promote for them. As a business, offering a program like this to you is a win-win situation for them, because they don't pay a cent to you until you make a sale for them. So that's why affiliate programs for businesses are a great source of income, or a way for them to market. Their marketing campaign should include affiliates for them, because they don't need to spend any money until you drive a new sale for them, okay? So there's many companies that offer this now, so you could decide on a niche that you want to go into. But the niches that make the most money, but also the most competitive, is wealth, health, and relationships, okay? So those are the three that you can check out. But within those three, there are many sub-niches that you can go into. You don't just pick a broad niche. You need to sub-niche, at least 2 levels down before you decide, okay? And then you want to decide what to promote. And there's going to be many things that you need to learn on how, like what to promote, how to promote, and so forth. So there's a lot of things to learn. I'm going to talk about more about how to promote in a second, because that's very important and it's going to be the livelihood of your business. And then I worked my ass off. And you may laugh at this, but you know, a lot of people who go on my channel looking for ways to make money online, they don't work their ass off. And I say this in a nice way. And it's also because they don't realize that you actually need to work long term to make the big money online. So yes, you can make fast PayPal money. I say that a lot on my channel. And yes, those are for the quick methods. But if you want to make big dollars like this, it will take some time and it will take some hard work before you see results. And this is why a lot of people quit and can't do it, because they quit way too early. So if they had just kept going, they would have made money, okay? So why affiliate marketing in the first place? Well, because that's one of the online businesses that can make you a lot of money. Many people make 6 figures, even 7 figures just promoting other people's products. I'm not anywhere near up there yet, but I do produce a full-time online income. And of course, my income, disclaimer is that my results are not typical, and you should read the full income disclaimer in my video description. Also, affiliate marketing creates passive online income, meaning that if you build this business properly, you will have an internet business. When you have an internet business, you earn 24/7 because your business is online. It's open all the time. So I do earn when I play, when I sleep, when I, do other things, and when I work. I mean, I could earn any time of the day. And not only that, I earn over and over again from the work that I put into my business. Just like this video, not only one person's going to view it, many people is going to view it. Just like on my blog, workanywherenow.com, when I write an article, not just one person's going to read it, multiple people are going to read it, and I could earn from many, many people like that. So that's why it's really cool to have an internet business, because none of your work is going to waste, because everything is going to be cumulative and will help you earn no matter what. You can build this on the side, and many people do who want to get out of a 9-to-5 job. They build it on the side, and when it starts making good money, they quit their 9-to-5 job. I've known at least a few people that's done this already in the space. And this is going to be an online business that's super affordable to start. In fact, you can actually start for free depending on what you choose. So even if you don't start for free and you start with something, the amount of money we're talking about is no more than probably $100 a month, okay? It's not even that, okay? So that is literally a very affordable business when you think about making thousands a month, okay? When you are able to earn thousands a month from something that you put in less than $100 a month and you work your butt off, I have to put that in. You do have to work your butt off. And you basically need nothing to start, okay? To start, you don't need anything because you're going to build everything from scratch. You need to learn how to do this from scratch, guys. So how do you promote affiliate products? So I'm going to show you. You're going to pick one platform. You're going to start with one platform, whatever your platform that's going to be comfortable for you. So you could build a website, you could build a YouTube channel, you could build a social media account. Why? Is because you need to learn how to drive traffic, okay? Driving traffic is going to be one of the biggest thing you're going to need to learn in order to make big money online. And you got to grow that one platform till you earn consistently, because if you don't, you're going to spread yourself thin and then nothing is going to work, and then you're going to be all frustrated and then you're going to quit. So my advice to new people coming in is to grow one platform until it earns consistently and then expand and go. So step 3 is expand to other platforms after you've been successful at one. So how did I do it? I did this. I went and learned how to build a website, which is workanywherenow.com. I used that website to drive as much as 2,000 people on my website a day, okay? And that's how I earned my super affiliate status on this one platform that I promote, which I'm going to show you in a second, because that's also where I learned how to build my website that drives that much traffic, okay? When you have so much traffic coming to your website, you can literally promote anything and you will make money. Not only that, you're not just going to make money from affiliate products, you can make money from ads. So it just compounds onto your income, the amount of things that you can sell on your or make or monetize on your website. There are more than 2 ways that I just said to monetize, okay? You could have other people write for you on your website and actually have them pay for that. So you can have that too. And you know, having a website is incredible. So I always advise people to build yourself a website because a lot of affiliate programs ask for it, first of all. Second, it is a way where you don't need to interact with anybody or do videos if you don't want to, okay? So a lot of people are shy on video, and so building a website is going to be one of the best choices for you to do it. So this is very important that you know how to drive traffic. So after I did that with my website, I then went onto YouTube. So last year I went on YouTube. So remember, I started this in 2016. So the first 2.5 years or so, I was concentrated on my website. Then last year I started concentrated on my YouTube channel, and then late last year, I also included TikTok into my online business. So I have 3 platforms now driving traffic for me. And these 3 online assets will be producing income for me like the $1,400 a day. So that's how, in a nutshell, how I have done it. And if you want to follow my footsteps, this is how you got to go. So I've been in this for years now. So you're at the beginning, so you need to start where I started. And if you do follow my path and use the training that I use, then I'm going to be your free coach on there. I only coach on that platform for free. I don't coach free anywhere else, okay? And in order for you to get on there, and I'm going to show you where it is, but this is the link for you to get on that training platform. And you can actually start for free. Like I was telling you earlier, you can start for free, but I don't recommend you staying free because you're not going to be that successful if you stay free. So let's show you the money. Okay. All right, guys. So if you sign up for free with my link, workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, then you're going to get a dashboard where it looks something like this, because this is one of my test accounts. So this is not my real account. So I just want to show you how to look me up. You just got to start typing Little. Here I am, Littlemama. And so you could see that this is my profile, and then you could go and read my profile if you like. And then over here on my right here, this is all my blog posts on the platform, or you could also reach it right here, blogs. So here, this is where I documented my entire journey from the time I started in 2016 here, okay? So this is where I started building my website, and these Vegas posts is about, you know, wealthy affiliate. Actually, this is wealthy affiliate. I don't know if I said that. This is wealthy affiliate. You will actually reach this page first with my face on it, and you do want to make sure that you see my face on here, or else you won't get me as your free coach, and my other bonuses won't be there. Okay, so make sure you see my face on the front. So after you create your free account, then you could come in here. So what this Vegas stuff is about is because wealthy affiliate, I'm an affiliate for wealthy affiliate. And when you are a super affiliate, you get invited to Vegas to meet with the owners and other super affiliates to discuss how we can improve the program. Okay, so it's really cool, and you get to meet other super affiliates. It's really fun trip, and they pay for everything. They pay for the trip, you pay for your room. It's really fun, and they even give you money right here to gamble while you're in Vegas, and some goodies, as you can see in this picture. So it's really fun. Anyway. So 1,400. So if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you a link that will take you to the program that lets me earn high ticket commissions like this. Okay. And so, you know, it's not every day I earn like this, but then I also have other days like this. So if you signed up here, you would check out the training on the left. So this is where you will learn how to build your online business using a website, using affiliate marketing to monetize your website. And all these lessons here are locked at this moment because this is my test account. Okay, this is a free account. So with your free account, you can see that you get the first level free, which has 10 lessons. So you could go through that 10 lessons and get your free website as well. And so your free account does have some things. So once you go premium, all this will unlock, and everything you need to know how to build your website to make money with it with affiliate marketing, it would be all in these lessons. And it is a must that you go premium so you could get these lessons. And the premium is only $49 a month, and literally you can use that plus your domain that you need, which is about $15 a year, and you can build your entire online business just like that. Okay, so I did affiliate bootcamp because affiliate bootcamp is about promoting WA, so that's what I use. But most people don't like being in my niche or whatever. It doesn't matter. You should pick a niche that you love, because you won't want to work on it if you don't like it. So make sure you pick something you like. So this first course is for any niche. Okay, so that is how my journey has been, and that's how I've been making $1,400 a day. And now that you stayed to the end, you want to know which program is that actually made me that $1,350 commission. So the link to that is workanywherenow.com/best. Okay, so check that out, and I hope you follow my path. And that is also another online training program that teaches you other things about affiliate marketing plus other online businesses. So it's a much bigger program. So I know it's not for everybody. It's not for everybody, and you really should learn how to drive traffic with your website first, because it doesn't matter what you promote. If you don't have traffic, then you're not going to sell anything. You're not going to make anything. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to get notified so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every week, but I have no idea when, so get notified. Okay, so I hope I see you on the next one. Bye.